With climate change, wildfires aren't just more frequent, they're more destructive than ever before. Wildfire fighting relies on water, fire lines, and chemical retardants or suppressants, many of which contain phosphorus, halogenated compounds, and toxic metals. They accumulate in soil and water, harm ecosystems, and pose health risks linked to cancer, organ damage, and neurological disorders. Pyronix is designed to fight fires while protecting the environment. It's an eco-friendly synthetic hydrogel that could play a major role in sustainable fire control. Our hydrogel is composed of 3 key components synthesized by genetically engineered bacteria and yeast: bacterial cellulose to retain water and form the gel structure, chitosan to form char, and silica to insulate and raise the ignition point. We intend to combine our gel with an autonomous delivery system, a drone equipped with real-time fire detection and mapping. It monitors key parameters such as fire hotspots, temperature, and terrain features. When a fire breaks out, our drone is deployed. The collected data is processed by an algorithm which calculates the optimal path and directs the drone to spray the gel, creating a fire line. Once in contact with flames, chitosan and cellulose retain moisture and form a solid insulating char. Our mission isn't limited to this product. It focuses on raising fire safety awareness through emergency guides, posters, and a children's book. Want to know more about the properties of our hydrogel? Explore our full project on the wiki to learn how we're turning bacteria into firefighting allies.